In the United Kingdom, there are 62 million people, 10% of the 6.8 billion people in the whole world. In the UK, there are roughly 22 million animals owned as pets. More than one pet for every 3 people, and that's not even including fish. The majority of those 22 million pets are made up of the 16 million dogs and cats. Many of them are loved and taken care for, as they should be, although, on average, every 30 seconds someone in the United Kingdom dials RSPCA's 24/7 cruelty line for help. These are just the reported cases. With only 475 RSPCA inspectors, officers and collectors, it becomes one heck of a job. Pets can't speak up or help themselves when life's not fair. That's why we have to do it for them. Do you care? Visit the RSPCA site, www.rspca.org.uk, and find out how you can help today.